Best dog door reviews. Being a pet owner, it is your responsibility to ensure the safety of your pets, and for that, you don't just have to put a leash on them but do something else, which is a lot more comfortable for them. I'm referring to having a dog door installed into the main door of your house or some other place where the pets usually get in and out of the house. Buying a dog door can be a tricky task, as there is so much variety available on the market. But, don't you worry about it, as you have got a great list of 10 best dog doors along with unbiased dog door reviews consumer report. Such information lets you easily identify the right product for your pets. So, let's start from number 5, and stay tuned till we reveal our top one. Number 5. Ombuds Automatic Lockable Pet Screen Door. If you live in a tropical region, then this product will be of great use to you, as it offers an easy way for pets to move in or out, but without letting the bugs sneak into the house. With this dog door, you will receive installation screws along with an instruction manual to help you install the door yourself. You just need to attach the door onto the window screen with the help of a hammer to push the screws through the mesh. You can cut out the screen from the inside frame using a razor frame to fit the door perfectly into the window screen. The presence of magnetic closure bars insects from getting in your house, so you don't have to buy a bed bug spray. Number 4. Barks Bar Plastic Dog Door with Vinyl Flap. This is another dog door, which comes with an aluminum lining along with a telescopic frame, so installing this door won't be difficult at all. Moreover, you can adjust the height of the frame to fit your space. Installing the dog door is a one-man job and can be done within 25 minutes. The inclusion of an aluminum lining makes the dog door protected against wear and tear. Then, you will find a self-locking thermoplastic panel in the dog door, which you can slide to restrict the access of your pet. It will also ensure that harsh weather conditions and pests don't damage your house. The dog door also features a durable vinyl flap, which keeps the unit safe from warping and tear. In case the flap tears, then you can get a new one from the company at a highly affordable price. Number 3. Pet's Deluxe Aluminum Pet Door with Telescoping Frame. This is not just any pet door, but this product is easy to install, with its frame can be easily adjusted, thanks to the telescopic frame. The frame of the door is made up of aluminum instead of plastic, which makes it more durable. With the slide and locking security feature, you can rest assured of the safety of your rambunctious dogs. At the bottom of the door, you will see a polyvinyl flap, which is combined with a magnetic strip to restrict the flow of air. The only drawback of this polyvinyl flap is its inability to withstand frigid weather or moisture. For that, you will have to seal the frame. However, the company offers a limited lifetime warranty, which you can use just in case you come across any issue with the door. Number 2. Petsafe Pack 11-11039 Dog and Cat Door Replacement Flap. The door has a watertight magnetic closure, which doesn't let any liquid to pass through the door, especially the dog door. A highly versatile dog door, you can use accessories and equipment of many different brands with it, such as patio panels, doors, and wall entries, etc. With an adjustable flap, the door can accommodate dogs and cats of any size and shape. You will find 2 flaps in the door, one for the interior and another for the exterior. A well-insulated product, it won't let the air and other external interferences to sneak into your house. Coming to the shortcomings of the product, then it's the inability of the dog door to contain strong dogs, and the susceptibility to damages and impacts can't certainly be ignored. Number 1. Petsafe Freedom Aluminum Patio Panel Sliding Glass Pet Door. If you are not interested in cutting your wooden door to have a door for your dog, then you have got a great option. Petsafe Freedom Aluminum Patio Panel Sliding Glass Pet Door is ideal for those who like to have a dog door, which isn't permanent and can be easily detached. Made with weather-resistant aluminum along with shatter-resistant glass, you will find it fitting into most sliding glass door tracks. This incredible dog door comes with a magnetic closure along with a slide and closing panel, which if closed will not let anybody sneak into your house until you open the door. The panel is available in 2 different heights, whereas the lower dog door component comes in 4 different sizes. Installing this unit is extremely easy, as you don't have to cut or assemble anything.